What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today. Today we're going to check out the OtterBox Defender Case Real True Edition for the iPhone X. So of course without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. Since the introduction of the iPhone 4, OtterBox always released a Real True Edition for their Defender line. It's a great choice for those of you who are looking for an adventurous look, or for those of you who want to match your Realtree products. And just a quick side note, I like how OtterBox has upgraded their packaging to this very simple slide-out cardboard type, versus that plastic one that they used for the past few years. OtterBox does have two different models for their Realtree line. This one here is called their Extra, and another one called the Max 5. You can see here the Extra model has like a tree branch style design, great for those of you who like to do hunting in the woods such as deer. And surrounding this graphic is a black TPU material combined with a bright orange plastic interior. And just like the other Defender case I reviewed for the iPhone X, this one here also features their new screenless design, meaning you can use your own tempered glass screen protector instead of the plastic one that was originally built on the Defender case. You also have an included holster which you can clip onto your belt. Your phone can be placed outwards or inwards, and also acts as a nice stand. Aside from the Realtree design and the unique orange color, everything else is pretty much like the original Defender case. You have a thick TPU outer layer, as well as a polycarbonate inner layer that helps protect your phone and give you one of the best drop protection cases out there. Taking a look at the inside here before we place the phone in, there's a single large foam pad here to cushion the iPhone X. And one thing you'll notice is that the Realtree models don't have a cutout for the Apple logo, which some of you probably like. Anyways, let's put the case back together and see what it looks like. So taking a quick overview of this case, starting off with the top, we do have an excellent amount of top protection with the TPU and polycarbonate material wrapping around the entire border of the phone, and combined with a tempered glass screen protector gives you the ultimate top protection for this case. On the sides, you have covers for the power button, volume rockers. You still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them, as well as a protective flap for the vibrate and ringer switch. I also like how OtterBox engraved these grooves on the sides to give you better grip. And moving on to the bottom, you have cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, as well as a protective flap for the lightning ports. Lastly, on the back side, there's a precise cutout for the dual camera and flash. And the most highlighted feature of this case is the Realtree design on the back. The graphical design is a very high quality print, has a nice matte finish to it so it doesn't collect fingerprints or oils. You can tell from the edge of the camera lens here it's a very thick printout as well, so it should stand the test of time. And for those of you wondering about wireless charging, yes, it does work. Overall guys, just like the original Defender case, I'm really happy with their new Realtree model. Like I mentioned earlier, it's a great choice for those of you who want more of an adventurous look with your iPhone X, or for those of you who have other Realtree products to match with. I've always been a big fan of how OtterBox revamped the Defender case for the iPhone X. Since the iPhone X no longer has the Touch ID button on the bottom here, it means there's no need for coverage on the bottom, and therefore the entire front can be much more streamlined. As a result, the front looks a lot nicer, in addition to the fact that because it's now screenless, you can use your own screen protector, in my case a tempered glass one, instead of that built-in polycarbonate one that the previous Defender cases had. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, added protection generally means added bulk, which you can see here. The Defender case definitely makes the iPhone X twice as thick. But of course the trade-off is you get one of the best drop protective cases on the market. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for an OtterBox Defender case to match your Realtree products or want a much more adventurous look to it, you definitely can't go wrong with the OtterBox Defender Series case Realtree Edition. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask her in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.